Dude, it's totally safe to come over here.
Nope, I'm fine.
There's not gonna be anything left of you if you stay over there.
You snore like a pissed hippo. I'm not doing this.
Dude, it's safe in the zone, man. There's no mosquitoes over here. 15 feet of pure heaven.
I would rather get Zika.
Suit yourself, man. Me and the thermacell are gonna sleep like babies.
I can't believe you only brought one.
Well, I had this one in the patio version. Must have left it at home, though.
Wait, is it pink?
Yeah?
Cylindrical?
Yeah.
Dude, it's been in your bag this whole time. Oh, gosh.